Good afternoon, welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we are working on the 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ 4.7 liter. If you've been following this at all, you know we've put an engine in it, you know we've done CV axles, you know we've done all four calipers, rotors, and pads. You know we've done an exhaust, you know we've done shocks, you know we've done the interior, you know we put in a stereo, you know everything we've done, tail lights and all that good stuff. But we're not done yet. So what we have, well, interestingly enough, all of the WJs I've bought have come with the fog lights disconnected with no bulb, and of course this. No exception is the 04. Same exact situation. The harnesses are hanging. It has the fog lights, but for some reason previous owners have decided not to use them. If you guys know why, let me know, because we're about to plug them in. So this one, the harness was completely ripped off. I just went in and I just soldered those back together, heat shrunk them and all that good stuff. But these housings, as long as we're doing this, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade the housings, or not upgrade, upgrade might be the wrong word. We're gonna go ahead and replace the housings. So that's what we have here. No, not sponsored. I'm never sponsored unless I tell you guys I'm sponsored. And I'm gonna slice my finger off, so let me stick you guys somewhere. All right, wow, I am going to lose a finger today. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and open this box here. Open that, yada yada. Open this. And here we go. We have two brandy new housings. Oh, these come with the bulbs. I assumed I was going to have to go buy bulbs. All right. Wow, these are clear. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this plastic. Whee! I'm going to peel that off. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look great? All right. So this one, it looks like the fender has been slightly removed. For the camera purposes, we're going to go over here where the fender liner has been removed, so you guys can actually see what we're doing. I'm going to put that where it's going to drop and piss me off. I'm going to put you guys where you're going to drop and piss me off even more. Right there. Alright, so it looks to me that this is just, you know, let me just put this over here. So it looks to me that this is just two 10mm nuts holding this whole thing in. So we're going to go ahead and zip those out. Well, let's start this one then. Looks like these are bolts, not nuts. Or they're just so rusted that, you know, I don't know. Okay, now that housing comes out just like that. That was actually really easy. And there's that. All right, so now there's a bunch of dirt in there. I don't think it's going to affect a whole lot. Oh yeah, so see how these comes with studs? And my whole thing kind of stayed in there. I'm assuming because of how rusty it is. So let me see if these studs will come out. Yep. So I want to remove these studs. Now we're gonna slide this bad boy in place, and we're gonna hope we can utilize these same studs simply because, well, they're stuck in there. So looks like they're gonna thread in no problem. Ooh, heater's blowing over here. Getting a little roasty. Now we're just gonna take this. I kind of want to wrap it around some stuff because I got some extra wire here. Don't want it to catch on the tires, you know. I don't know. Plug it in. All right, so that's there. Hopefully the tire doesn't catch on it. And that should be it. I'm gonna go do the other side. You guys don't need to see that. It's the exact same process. Just gotta hold the fender flare out of the way. But while I do that side, then after that, we'll test them and see if they work. All right, guys, so we have the new lenses in, the new light bulbs we rewired. Now, we're gonna go turn on the fog lights. So by the way, if you don't know how to turn on your fog lights on your WJ, don't feel bad. I just spent about probably 10 minutes trying to figure it out. Now, in my defense, all the paint is worn off here, but to turn your fog lights on, all you do is grab the end of this stick here and pull it out. It does a little twisty action when you pull it out, FYI. Well, I did the first time. But yeah, so you just pop that out, and what do you know, looky here. So we got one fog light, two fog light. Yeah, they are aimed a little differently, as you can see. Driver's side is up, passenger side's down. That's part of the bumper being twisted. I don't think there's any adjustments on there. This bumper was definitely not in the best of shape when I got this Jeep. I'm gonna go in here and just boop, turn that back off. No, my keys aren't even in. So anyway, that's why it twists a little bit. It puts your running lights on at the same time. So the first time you do it, careful, it's going to turn your running lights on. Make sure you turn that back off. That's why I twisted. Okay. Makes sense. I'm learning as I go, guys. Anyway, so if you'll remember, when I got this Jeep, this bumper was barely even hanging on. So it is a little bit twisted, twarped, and twatted, and whatever else. But I got it to the point where it visually looks good on the Jeep. Oh, you know what? I should do that lower so you can see the new fogs. I got it to where it visually looks good on the Jeep, but it's still a little twisted. So like this one's just a little bit hanging low, but it's still in there solid. It's in the clips. This one again is in the clips and it's solid. So where I work in the hills, it gets pretty foggy. This being my winter commuter, fog lights will be handy. So they are installed, they are working, they are fantastic. Again, out of the 5 WJs I now have, all of them have been, well, fog light disconnected when I got it. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's because nobody knows how to use it. I don't know. It took me forever to figure that out right now. So yeah, no shame there. It is what it is. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to keep seeing the journey of this WJ, the Super Duty, the Titan, the Expedition, the Excursion, the cars, the Z, the whatever you want to watch, make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you get alerts, check out my videos, leave a comment so I know you're watching, and let me know where you're from. Let me know why you're watching the videos. So yeah, I don't know. Either way, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.